Hello, this is Bobby at Edgar H Repair with a functionality proof video for a Delta board, DPS-165HP. It has several different versions, HP2, HP3, I don't know if there's HP1, belonging to this customer, and used in Sharp LC-60LE633U. Board sparked and stopped working, open from the power board, bed, and close, blah blah, for repair. I'm not going to do a full-blown test today. I've made a number of similar videos. The reason I'm not going to do a full-blown test is it will be hard to emulate the LED driver, plus the failure had nothing to do with the LED driver. Very few boards have problems with the LED drivers, usually elsewhere. I'm sure sooner or later there will be one, but we don't see at all many boards that have problems with the LEDs. Instead, the board was totally dead. The main fuse was blown. The capacitors for discharging the switching transistors on the PFC circuit were blown open. I actually have them nearby me in the trash. This is how they looked. This is a live board, so I'm careful as to what I do, but basically this is how it looked, totally blown. And throwing it out. And the board has standby now, and I want to show that it actually also activates, measures something. Now, to activate the board, I use this simple jig connector, which simply tells the board to wake up by shorting out pins number 15, PD15, which is standby 5 volts, and pin 14, which is power supply on. Before that happens, it has those two just jumped here, soldered. Before those are connected, I apologize for my video, I gotta get a better camera. Those two, the main filter capacitor has only 160 volts here. This is what can be measured. And when the connector is turned in, the voltage jumps to 400 and above. Another something that can be measured at this time after the connector is after those two pins, and this is emulates the main board telling the power supply board, wake up, we gotta work. The other thing that can be measured is the unregulated 13 volts on pins 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 1, 3, 5. This is pin number 5. It says the unregulated 13 volts. Never mind on the sign. I have my probes reversed. The positive is on the ground. And I'm testing with the negative. That's why you're getting negatives. That is pretty much all. I've seen several different levels of failure on that board. I've seen only the capacitors and the fuse. I've seen the driver and some small connector resistors. I still haven't seen the transistors themselves fail on that one, but I'm sure sooner or later there will be one where they do. Again, won't be measuring the output of the LEDs for several reasons. First, it's kind of hard to emulate. Second, it's not really necessary. There was no problem there. We don't expect it to be problematic there. Thank you for your time, and best of luck repairing your TV.